We've got a handful of things that we're going to be continuing to track over these next couple of days. A lot of that's going to be some quiet weather, though, across mid-Missouri. We do have a pair of disturbances that we're going to be looking at by the middle of this week. We'll get into that here in just a second. But you want to get out and try to enjoy some of this beautiful weather we're waking up to across mid-Missouri. A little on the cool side, waking up to some 50s across the board. But we'll get back into the 60s and 70s fairly quickly by about lunchtime in those middle 70s, and not a whole lot warmer than that as we get into this afternoon. You will notice something, though. There's a little bit of a haze to the sky. Those skies looking almost a little bit milky white here as we get into this afternoon. That's some of that smoke that's left over from some of those fires out west that some of the upper level winds have picked up as we get into these next couple of days. So you may notice that. It's not going to be affecting our air quality back here in mid-Missouri, but just something you may see over these next couple of days. Overnight tonight, though, getting back into those upper 50s. We'll do this all over again with some mostly clear skies overhead. Those rain chances, though, again, fairly meager at that, but this is the latest run of future track, and we're staying quiet all the way through Monday and Tuesday. This disturbance rolls on through by Wednesday, and it may clip some of our southeasternmost counties. This isn't Tropical Storm or what's going to be Hurricane Sally later on today. That's not this. This is actually a disturbance that's rolling out ahead of it as we get into some of our southeasternmost counties. I think this is more of a southeast Missouri problem, more so than mid-Missouri, but we'll continue to track that as we get a little bit closer. Another cold front's going to slide on through by Thursday, and that may have just enough energy to kick up a few more showers for the fourth day of this work week. By the final day, though, we're going to be back to square one. It looks like may actually do a little bit better than what we get off to for a start today in terms of that humidity. Looking at those dew point temperatures. Taking a look at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. It's a good one here over these next couple of days, aside from a few hiccups Wednesday into Thursday. Other than that, it's going to be nice and smooth sailing here over these next 7 days. Afternoon highs right around those low 80s. Overnight lows right around 60 degrees. That's about how you draw it up here for this time of year.